Okay, I think one of these is definitely charged. Lights flashing does not mean much. Alright, turn the switch. It's still raining, but this is the waterproof drone. Alright, down you go. That's on the... This little guy here flies pretty darn fast for a $23 drone. And I've had really good luck with the jjrc transmitters, excuse me. They seem to have better range than some. And you can see I fly in a minefield here of trees. Come back. Good gravy, that was good. Goodness, bringing them down is never easy. And no, for 20 bucks you don't get any camera, you just get a really quick little drone on 400 milliamp hour batteries. It does flips. Here she comes. Whoa! Slide over to the neighbor's house. And around in a circle and back. I get used to how sharp this one turns, and when I'm flying my slower drones I almost run into these trees because I can't predict the turn speed as well. Here it comes. I think that one almost overturned, and I think that's just level 2. At level 3 it turns so damn sharp it's not even funny. I don't know, this battery seems to be losing its oomph pretty quick. I don't know, she still punch out pretty good. I like... almost like trying to fly a falling piece of paper. Upward funnels are no problem. I guess the battery ain't as bad as I thought. How about downward funnels? There we go. I saw somebody do something that impressed the shit out of me, and I haven't been able to make it happen. I've been trying and trying and trying. Oh, no juice for the flips now. She still turns pretty good though. She would like to flip, but that's not going to happen. Oh, that's it. She's done. And thank you guys for playing.